This is the elevator at York National Railway Museum in York. Would I go up to 1? It is Thyssenkrupp, capacity 8 persons, 63 kilos. Here we are at 1. These doors here. I'm going down.
Go on then, can we squeeze in?
Yeah. Alright, just watch the doors behind you.
Thank you.
I favour this is the Thyssenkrupp ISIS. Here we are back at GB stores here.
Go on then, Leo. Thank you.
I'm going to have another eye, Mum. Very nice elevator right here. You know what? Oh, what's this? This. I'm going up. I'm going up.
Can we come in as well?
Yes,
Is that
yes.
okay?
It's just for another one, Dad.
Come on then.
Yeah.
Come out now. Come out.
And that's it.